Hi there, let's make Mango Sago Dessert today. This is a popular dessert in Hong Kong. It's very tasty and super easy to make. Also, there's not much added sugar in this recipe. Use medium heat. Here I'm adding 75 grams of sago. Cook for 15 minutes, then off the stove. Let it stand for 5 minutes. Make sure it's translucent like this. If not, wait a little longer. Now I'm going to soak it in cold water to stop the cooking process. Then strain off the excess water. In a blender, add 500 grams of mango, 100 ml of milk, 100 ml of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Adjust sweetness based on the sweetness of the mangoes. Add in the cooked sago, mix well. Top it up with some mangoes, pomelo or grapefruit. Add coconut milk. Yes, it's that easy. Do try it. Hope you enjoy this mango sago dessert. See you next time.